I can eat fried rice every day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But for a long time, whenever I tried to cook at home, it never tasted like the fried rice I get at Asian restaurants here. Then I found the secret behind cooking the perfect fried rice from one of my Asian colleagues. So let's see how to make it. For making fried rice, you should always use cooked rice from the previous day and it should be cold. I cooked rice from 1 cup of basmati last night. So once it cooled down, I refrigerated it. So whenever you're ready to cook, take the cooked cold rice from the fridge and use a spoon or your hand to separate the rice if it is all sticking together. Then add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. I added 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, but you need to adjust based on the sodium in your soy sauce. I'm also adding little less than 1 tablespoon of fish sauce here to get the Thai flavors, but this is completely optional. Now let's keep the rice aside. Next you have to heat a wok, but I don't have a wok, so I'm just using a shallow pan here. Once the pan is really hot, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then slowly rotate the pan over the flame. You have to coat the pan with oil. Then reduce the flame. I am making prawns and egg fried rice today, but you can make chicken or just plain egg fried rice too, or replace with some vegetables if you like. You can actually get creative and add what you like. For prawns, make sure to cook just for 2 to 3 minutes or it will turn chewy. Once it is cooked, remove it from the pan and let's keep it aside. And I'm adding another 2 tablespoons of oil. To this oil, add 3 eggs. Slowly stir and cook the egg. The trick is not to overcook the eggs if you want to get the soft scrambled eggs like in the restaurant. So cook in the medium to low flame. Keep mixing until the egg gets cooked, but make sure it is still soft. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of garlic. You have to add garlic only at this stage in order to get the very nice garlicky flavor in your fried rice. Then mix it just for a minute. Now let's add the cold rice. Keep the flame in medium to low. I normally use olive oil whenever I have to use extra oil. For fried rice, usually sesame oil is a better option, so you can actually use that if you do not prefer olive oil. And at this stage you can actually add extra oil if you think it is dry, but since I'm watching my diet, I'm okay with using less oil. Also, we use cold rice, right? So even with the less oil, you will see the rice is actually separate and not sticking to each other. After that, add the prawns and mix it again. Finally, add a lot of spring onions. There we have our delicious prawns and egg fried rice. Try it and let me know your comments. Thanks for watching.